Hi, I'm Carl and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the knife series playlist, and as you can see we are going to be looking at the Camillus, however you want to say it, the Wedge with the green handle, neon green handle, or scales, whichever way you want to say it. Now you may be wondering why this wicked edge sharpener is out here, and I'll show you that in just a second. But in the meantime, let's go over this packaging right here, this blister packet. I did buy this at Walmart, cannot remember the price, but it was a fair price, I think, at the time. Time will tell. So, here we go. Camillus, titanium bonded, folding knife, 420 stainless steel, 2.25 inch blade, glass filled nylon handle, which in my opinion just means fiberglass. Quick launch bearing system, up to 3 times harder than some other steel. Don't have my glasses on right now, but anyway, lifetime warranty. Here's the information on the back if you'd like to pause this and check it out. Pause the video and check this out. There we go. Acme United Corporation in Fairfield, Connecticut, and it is made in China. And there is the ISBN or barcode on the bottom, whichever way you want to say that. Okay, let's put this down and look at the knife. Get my glasses out of the way right here. Check out this little bright green handle. Kind of funny looking, but I kind of like it too. Okay, has the 3 screws on this side, and it has the removable pocket clip. Then it looks like it has 3 screws on this side for unassembly. Nice little pocket clip with a knife cut out in the middle of it. It is a hollow grind, which means it was done on some kind of round wheel. Nice little point right there. Nice little, I always call these grippers. Some people call them gimping. Liner lock, which means I'm going to show you this up close. Let's see here. There we go. The liners right here on each side of the blade. I want to give you an action shot on this one. Just go right there. You'll watch that liner pop open and lock that blade into place. There we go. Do that again. Do that from this angle. There we go. Little small for my hand, but it is very usable. I like how this little piece right here, I don't know the terminology for that, but it will help your finger from slipping. And one thing I will show you is it is a bear to deploy that thing. Sometimes a lot harder than others, which is why I have this tool here. Now, Work Sharp, I've spent a fair bit of money with them at the Blade Knife Show a while back, and they gave me this. And I think the reason they gave this to me is because right here it's supposed to be a magnet, and there's no magnet in there to hold the bit. Falls right out. So anyway, I have the T8, I believe that's the size on it, and I am going to loosen this just a little bit and see if I can flip that open a little bit easier. Didn't work. It is a bear to open. Let's see if I can loosen this side a little bit. Oh, bit fell out. I'm afraid if I loosen it too much, that screw might come out. It's still almost impossible for me. There we go. So my idea of loosening those two screws did not work. Ah, that's a bear. Now, I might have to completely take this apart and figure out what the deal is with that. There we go. But I'm not doing it in this video. That will be in some kind of future maintenance video. Ah, that's hard. This would not be a knife for a woman with fingernails or somebody with weak pointer fingers. So, my opinion on this knife, kind of looks pretty cool. If I could get that flipper action working correctly, it will be a nice little pocket carry, EDC. But until then, I'm going to give this a 3 out of a 10. Once I fix that mechanism in there, however, probably give it a, I don't know, for what it is, maybe a 6 or 7 out of a 10. But in the meantime, let's give it a paper test. I have just a regular sheet of copy paper right here. Let me store this bit back in here before it gets lost. I got an idea. Why don't I give this to one of my viewers? Y'all can figure out a fair way of me giving this away. I do have a review on this. Has a ceramic rod on this side and a diamond rod on this side, and the tools in it, lanyard hole. Anyway, I'm going to be giving this away to somebody. I've got 3 of them. So, paper test. It is cutting pretty well. No issues with that at all. So, check it out at Walmart, $10 to $12 range. Maybe yours won't have the issues I'm having. Maybe it will. I don't know. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you being with us today.